Congratulations on the purchase of your new windows. We are so excited that you selected us as your building envelope and window renovation contractor. Here's a rundown on what to expect while working with us. Within the next week, you will receive a call from the Centra Installation team to review your availability and book your remeasure and product review. You know that golden rule: measure twice and cut once. At your remeasure appointment, one of our certified installers will measure all of the windows and doors that you plan to replace. For homes built in 1990 or earlier, we take a sample of drywall compound and/or stucco to test for asbestos. We do this to protect the health and safety of the homeowners and our installers. Once the measurements are complete, we'll go over all the details with you and answer any final questions you may have. Now we have everything we need to custom build your windows and doors. Our Centra team is going to be busy behind the scenes for the next couple of weeks. Depending on what time of year you ordered your new windows, you might not hear from us for 4 to 8 weeks. Don't worry, we haven't forgot about you. But if you ever have any questions or need an update, please call our service team and we'll be happy to help. Our manufacturing team goes through every detail, and Centra's production leaders will take a final look at the windows before approving them for installation. The Centra Installation team will give you a call a few weeks before your estimated install date to finalize the date with you. Feel free to discuss any concerns or questions you may have at this time. We thank you for choosing Centra for your home improvement needs.